move.
Hey, no! Don't touch the ammunition. Here, take this one.
Right there. Mine. Careful if you get in too.
It's a dog party.
Paris got in!
Ah, she getting it.
Ah! A net! Hey. How about we put the balloons in here?
Mom, you help her. I want to hand the pool with Brooks and Paris.
Okay. This is my Charles. Want this tight? Oh, yeah.
So we gotta change the water out now.
Well, after today, it could be like
She's still
this.
trying to get the damn balloon. That's what she's aiming for.
Yeah, I know, but the,
I need a chair. Can you go get me a chair?
Where'd the balloon go?
It's in there.
It's still in there. Oh, she popped it. She popped it.
put another one in there.
A bigger one.
Get a little one too. It's okay, and get the other one.
A little one for Paris. Paris.
Oh, she's using her feet. She's using her feet to find it too. She's like.